Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Theo Tovek and today we are actually going to replace this orange side reflector. So I've purchased a new set right here and this is pretty much what we're going to do today. Replacing this with this one so that we will have a nice uniform black look. And the reason I chose this one is because I want to make sure that I still have some kind of reflection. Some people can actually wrap it or put a color match version of this reflector, but I actually wanted something that still reflects. That's why I went with this version that is kind of black out, but still if you shine some light on it, it will actually reflect. So let's go on this quick DIY. To do this job, you're going to need a few tools. You're going to need a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, a hair dryer will do the job. You're going to need an 8mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and of course your new side reflector. The first thing to do is to remove these three screws right here. So the first one is this one. This is where you use your 8mm socket. So it's one right here. The second one is right here, and the third one is right there. So once you remove those three, you are good to slide the panel. So this is a step where we use pretty much the screwdriver to remove the panel. As you can see, it's very secure, and the screwdriver is pretty much just to help you pull the panel this way really quick. Bring it out like that, and all right, once it's out like that, you are good to go. This is pretty much how you want it to be, because this is the way the side reflector is going to come out. On this step, we are going to apply the heat on the surrounding of the reflector around here, because this is the area where the glue on this reflector is touching the bumper. So what we want to do is apply even heat around the area right here, and then after that we're going to push inside so that it's going to remove the reflector. So this is how we do it. You evenly apply the heat. Again, you might do this maybe for 2 minutes for the area to be very warm, and then you push inside, the reflector is going to come out. Every now and then it's good to check the surface just to see if it is warm already. So don't be too far and don't be too close also. So around this distance is pretty good. I'm going to try again. It's starting to come on the bottom portion. If you see an area that is already a little loose, focus on that area. That will help you to remove the other parts. There you go. It's coming off. Alright, it's pretty hot. So as you can see, I still have some glue residue that we have to actually remove. So we can see here all this glue residue. All this glue residue, I have to remove it. So you pretty much just put your finger in there and rub it, and it comes off, as you can see. The next step is to remove the 3M tape from the new reflector and applying it on the area. So see, remove the 3M tape. Alright, now that the piece is installed, the final step is to put back the liner and then the screws, and you're good to go. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Alright, job done. As you can see, it turned out very well. There's no more orange yellowish reflector here. This is very good. It blends with the car. As you can see, it's really good. It's not a color match, but it still gets some reflection at night. If you park your car, this is what I actually wanted. If I want to show you the other side look exactly the same. Very beautiful. This is a quick mod that I can recommend you, and I'm going to post you the link where I purchased this one, and you can get one for yourself and install it using these steps. This was a very quick DIY that I performed on the car. It's very simple and a few tools needed that everyone got in their house, but it drastically changes the way the side of the car look. Please comment below if you like this, and if you like this type of easy mod that I can really do for you guys. So one thing I wanted to point out is that when you buy this thing, you have to make up your mind if you want one that is wrapped that will completely blend so that you don't even see it, or if you want one that will still give you a reflection, which is like the one that I've done right here. So this is what I wanted, and thank you for watching.